Are you still using Nano Banana Pro when Black Forest Lab has just dropped its newest model, Flux 2 Max, which claims to have unmatched quality in the Flux 2 family? It has the capability to generate multiple styles of image in all sorts of presents and various creative themes. It is also said that it maintains consistency across the reference images. So let's test it out. So if you're looking for a new model for your image generations, follow along. I'm going to be using the playground for Flux, and I've signed up using my email, and it gives me 50 free image generations. So this is the layout, which is very basic, similar to all the other tools. You have the text box right here where you can enter in your prompt. Then here you can select the model that you want to use, which in our case we are going to use the max model. And next you have the ability to adjust the width and height of your image. Also, you can select the number of image that should be generated per prompt running. And you'll also see this prompt upsampling option, which if you turn off, it will send the prompt that you just wrote. But if it's turned on, it will enhance and refine your prompt to add more details to give you better output. So those were the settings, but let's get to the image creation. So first off, I'm going to add in my reference image. So I'm going to click on this, click on assets, click on the add button, click on upload, and now I can select an image that I want to use as the reference. And now I'm going to add in my prompt, which is this right here, to create a professional headshot of the reference image and to change the output as well. So let's click on this generate button and wait for the result. And these are all the results. Yeah, I accidentally kept the batch size as 4. So, well, all of them do have a good outfit, just like how I described. But I can see that the face in this one and the first one is a little different than the reference image. And I suppose this is the best one in terms of facial match. I did try to create same image using the same prompt in Nano Banana Pro, and this is how it came out. So honestly, in my opinion, Flux 2 Max is way better than this one because the hair in this one are tucked into the blazer. Apart from that, it's okay, but I would still prefer this one. Next, let me try to use multiple reference image to check whether or not it gives good responses. Okay, first I'm trying to create this product image using a reference image, and I have my product image right here. So I'm just going to give a simple prompt to replace the product in the reference image with my product, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. It just describes that I want to add my product into this reference image and so on. I'm going to start the generation of this image. Well, here's our result. So it basically did the opposite of what it was asked to do. It created my product image. So it took my product image as the reference and turned this into this instead of turning this into this right here. So let's try to edit this. So this time around I switched up the prompt and let's try again. And here's our result, and this time around it is right. And I used Gemini to generate the same image, which is right here, and off the look both images look same to me. Now for the ultimate test, I'm going to throw in some random 4 images. They are not exactly totally random, but 4 different images, and ask the AI to incorporate all of them into one single image. So first I'm going to upload all my images. So these are the images, and for my prompt, this is the prompt, and now I'm going to start the generation. So here's the generated image, and honestly I expected something better than this, but it is realistic. In fact, it is way too realistic because the facial structure and the lightning on the person's face is absolutely butchered by the AI. By the way, this was the Nano Banana Pro result, and we can all agree that Flux 2 is better than this at least. It looks like it has just cut out all the images and placed it in a single one, but I did use a shorter prompt, so I can't be complaining. Now, coming back to our playground, we have the option to download our images like this right here. Click on the 3 dots, download it from here. And if you open a new chat and you don't have the history, you can access it by going to this history option as well as assets, which will show you all the uploaded images you have used in Flux. And you have other option for image generation as well, like this fill and expand, which you can use. So the final verdict is that Flux 2 Max is really nice, really good. It gives you image in less than a minute with high definition and realistic look, and it is able to maintain the reference image well as well. So your search for a new image generation model comes to an end.